Check the mic. Check. I'ma check the mic. I think it's pretty good. Check. Checkity check. Check. Checking the mic. Check a mic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What was that? Gift firework. Your viewers can trigger breathtaking fireworks. Shit. That's pretty cool. Should I turn on the gift fireworks? Oh, it's a pro only. $16 a month. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's get some emojis in this bitch. Alright. Spark Mac. Raj. Morpheus. What's good? We lagging? Is that just me? Or is that just me? The fuck? Alright. Yo, check this out. 100x. I want to see how it goes with testing. I don't even know how the tests are at the moment. I don't think they pass. Can't even run it. It's happened to me before. I think it works maybe outside of the environment, which is weird. Mehmet. Salam. Yeah, see, it works there. Um, yeah. This is a surprise stream. Surprise. Um, I want to try this aider in a React loop. This is cool. I think I'm the only one that stars it. Oh no, there's 39 stars now. Sick. I was the first. Look, see, there's evidence in that. When I pasted it, it was just me. This is sick. It's still being worked on. I had a look at the code and it seems legit. Aider on a loop or raw aid. It's a React loop. React like this by Langchain's React agent loop. And the interface looks pretty cool as well. Yo, the hype around Gemini 2, it seems awesome. You can like stream your whole computer to it and talk to it. I actually haven't tried it. But yeah, it seems awesome. Gemini 2. How do you do the call? I'm not sure how the call worked. Saw it on Twitter though. Looked crazy. Okay, on this branch, my tests don't even pass. It's because I merged one of the agent's things. I think before that would be here. Let's see if it works on this branch. They're taking so long to give us AGI. What's your like cutoff for AGI? What does it have to be able to do for you to consider it AGI? Yo, Mame, what's up? Oh, thanks for the gift, Sam Q. What is that? I don't even know what that is, but I appreciate it. The likes and the gifts. We're not building. Oh, actually, I kind of am. So I just ran PyTest, which is like a Python testing thing. I have how much coverage? Like 0% on these files, but okay, the LLM client is the only thing that I think we're testing properly. Okay, skip this. So I want to run this thing to see if we can fix the tests automatically. See, if I was to try do it with Ada by itself, we could run it in yes mode, which kind of is like a looping thing a bit. If we run it with /test, it will run the test. All right, let's pretend we ran the. You can also just kind of give it the test results. And it'll probably know what to do there. Yeah, I haven't added any of the files, but I think it should be able to add the files itself. Now, because I'm in yes mode and there was a URL in that, it's actually going to scrape that doc and this one. I wonder if I can stop that. I can't. I think there's a way to turn off like URL. Automatic scraping. Where is it? Detect URL. This one. We could have done no detect URL. Alright, let's do that again. Now it won't detect the URLs and go straight to use Sonnet. See what Sonnet does. Based on the test output, let's remove the duplicate test. Okay, it's gonna do stuff. Now, this isn't like fully meant to loop forever, although it's the closest you can get with vanilla Ada to looping forever. There's still like, if it gets the search replace wrong, it's hard coded to limit it to 3 times retesting. Yo, Hamza, no, I haven't tested Gemini 2. I actually like tried to see if I could get the screen share thing working about 5 minutes ago, but yeah, I don't know, I couldn't figure it out. I only gave it like 20 seconds. PyTest-V and it served the Flask app. Oh, there's also one more issue I have. I'm gonna quit out of this. Is in my Ada config. I think I have the test to just run. Wait, why isn't it auto completing here? There we go. The test function to Python app.py, that should actually be PyTest. Okay. Run that again. Now we'll actually run tests for it to run the test because we've changed the code. And it should run PyTest. There we go. But I'm not running the Flask web server. I'm not sure if I have to for PyTest. Hopefully no. I'm not going to run it just so we can see. Okay, there we go. And it's you can see it's added these lines of the PyTest results to the chat. So here I have to prompt it to fix this. There's also like a flag I probably have off in the conf you can set to automatically try fix the test, failing test. I'm pretty sure. Now it doesn't log it, but I'm pretty sure in this yes mode it's actually behind the scenes choosing which files to add to context. Okay, there we go. That yellow text is a linting error. And that one in yes mode will automatically try to fix up to 3 times. I think if you get this like similar or any linting error 3 times in a row, Aider actually stops looping. It says like I've reached a max of 3 times. But it looks like no more linting errors. We went straight into the PyTest. See how hands off this is? We could definitely be managing like 3 of these ourselves. And then more if we had an orchestrator. So that's kind of the thesis. Jordan Woods, hello. How are we? Barco, Aider for the win. Let's go. What's your favorite genre of music? I'm thinking about getting the new Suno V4. How much does that cost? $10 a month isn't bad. 10 running jobs at once. We're gonna do it. This might get like timed out, and I'm not sure how PyTest handles timeouts. What's the vibe here? Web server is returning an unknown error. I didn't even see that. Is that this? Okay, we'll get rid of it. Wait, that's not even it. What is that? Oh shit, it's my Twitch alerts. No. Lazy. Hello, hi. Yeah, Vortrix ain't working. And my PyTest ain't working. How does PyTest handle timeouts? If at all handle timeouts slash hanging threads inside a test. Do Vortrix dead? Built in allows users to specify a max timeout. Okay. Or you can change that in the init file. Okay. Because I think this is taking too long. We can just tell Aider that as well. We should probably, it could probably fix it. Looks like we're like mega stuck. Oh, there we go. We're gonna have this problem in the orchestrator as well. Lazy asked, "What's the plan for today?" I was going to like try this aider in a React loop eventually, and I was like, "Shit, it's probably a wasted opportunity if I don't get my first impressions on stream." So yeah, I'm gonna do that, but like, I think that will also get stuck at this timeout thing. So I'm gonna tell just normal aider to fix the timeout issues, and I wonder if I can add old tests like that. I can't. We already have a PyTest ini. What does it look like? Okay, I don't think anything about timeouts. Added that to chat. That's pretty cool. The tests are timing out at this one. Make sure we can detect long processes that hang and timeout with PyTest. This is probably just like a one-line thing in the PyTest ini, but I've gotten so used to just prompting AIs. He added a nudge in Agent Zero. What's that? Kind of like a nudge when they get stuck. Oh, cool. So even if it's like in a thread, you could nudge it. That's really cool. Like a kind of like a SIG alert. All right, so how many lines did it end up changing? Okay, so this is what I was thinking. Just in the PyTest ini, it'd be like a one-line thing. It turns out you can also this stuff. I don't know if that's a good change. What did it do? Return magic mock. Okay, I'm not too sure what this is with patch. And yeah, looks like we're timing out here, but maybe it's a 30-second timeout. I don't know. We'll let this go. I hope that's not 30 minutes. I don't have that much time. Zavir, thanks for the like. I think I just upgraded to Suno Pro. So I can do V4 now. Let's see. This is an interesting. Yeah, V4. Best vocal quality song structure. Max 4 minutes. Hell yeah. What are we doing? I kind of want an instrumental. Just like chill, lo-fi music to code to. Create personas. Also, the thing about the music is that's definitely more than 30 seconds. So that didn't work. Wait, is it this one? A limit of 30 seconds for each test. Might want to change that later, but just want to save time and make sure. It's like it's a bad 70s porn track. Yo, Godzilla, what's up? Alright, next one. What about this one? Sounds about the same. Okay, how about instead of lo-fi, we'll do deep house. I always do deep house. I like deep house. Okay, so it's added mark timeout to everything. Have I tried Replit? I did when the agent came out, like, originally. And it was just too early. There was a lot of things I had to fix. But I've heard, like, it's getting a lot better. Heard a lot of good things. The paid version? Yeah, not since they released the agent that was paid. Does this pick up my headphones? Nope. Yeah. Hello? Can't hear that. Oh, every time I talk, it stops. That's really weird. I don't know how to turn it on. I just have to press this button. 100x orchestrator? Yeah, actually this project is the 100x orchestrator. I'm trying to get tests working. Yeah. Is your shit Godzilla?
I woke up this morning feeling kinda strange. Looked in the mirror, saw a llama in my range. I was like,
This one's like you can tell.
Hallucinations back, but this time they're my friends. Said, Mr. Llama, don't be scared, just take it slow. I'm like, you talking or is it just my serial show? He said, let's go on a trip, just you and me.
Yo, better you habits. What's up? We're just trying to get this. This is trying to get this test working, but it keeps timing out. Okay, I mean, I'll try. Let's try the React loop thing. I don't think that would be any better. Oh, we can also try exponent. I think my thing's running out soon. Wonder if that'll be able to fix this. All right, so Ader made like. I think, is that all today? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 commits. Though none of them fix that issue, so I'm gonna discard all of those. And see if the tests pass or fail here. Did I check Claude MCP? Yeah. I have. And Klein now has its own MCP thing. I don't know if you guys saw, but Klein just first update in a while. You can see it on Discord. But pretty much they say like it can create its own tools. Here. Client can now create and add tools using MCP. Try asking, add a tool that pulls the latest npm docs. Client handles creating the MCP server and installing it, and then it can be used again in future tasks. Servers are stored in documents client MCP. Screenshots in Discord. Agent Zero. Nudging. Where's the nudging? Is this what we're looking at? Oh yeah. It's a button. And then what's this screenshot? System message? NTSC Adrian, thanks for the likes, dude. You liked you like the lo-fi tracks? Let's go back to them. I don't know what happened to them. Hey, yo, I didn't realize this. Oh, this is sick. That's exponent. So what happened when I ran PyTest? Okay, it passed everything, but no coverage. Improved test coverage. Ensure the test doesn't, each individual test does not hang for more than 30 seconds. As it gets stuck. And we'll add like the PyTest ini tests. Yeah, tests. All right.
My pleasure. You motivating me to get back behind some LLMs and code something.
Nice. NTSC Adrian. We should change the 11 Labs voice. Kind of getting sick of this one. Should do a vote on which 11 Labs voice we want. All right. Let me find some good ones.
Our distrust is very expensive.
That's pretty good. I think that's like a classic
Our
one.
distrust is very expensive.
Just trust yourself.
One today is worth 2 tomorrows.
There is no greater harm than...
There's power in looking silly.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
That's pretty good, Bill.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Dude, this guy's the Audible guy.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Alright, Godzilla, you have to pick one though.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
Government of the people, by the people, for the people shall not perish from the earth.
A man is not old as long as he's seeking something.
Yo, Nick Humphreys, what are you saying? You in the grind season? We in the chill season. I kill him every which way, no reason. Alright, what was a good one? I think I like Bill.
Liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
I'm gonna try
As
Bill.
we are liberated from our own fear,
Like Brian?
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Rap friend. We're gonna use Brian. We never lose, Brian. I got some dudes trying to match my swagger, but they can't. They sitting in the back, Mick Jagger. I'm coming through with taste. They don't got what it takes. Shit at rate. Shit at rate to the race. Said they're late to the race. Where'd I put the text to the speech in this space? Out of this space. Okay, here we go. Voice ID. What's numbers? Is numbers? Where's the voice ID? Oh, ID. Numbers? Okay, switch it. Alright, we got Brian. We got Brian, I ain't even done trying. And I keep him confined. Wait, I think we have both. Whoa, Steam. Oh, not Steam. I don't know how Steam came up. Alright. Alright, this is Brian.
You need to add to your library, then you can open the voice and copy voice ID.
Forward!
Hey man, how's it going?
I like this Lofi.
Nick gets the female voice.
Man's swagger a lagger fam. Devs become singers due to the AI.
Oh shit. Yo, that was nice. What is this? My ex apologized to me and I wasn't ready. I keep getting this. Oh, it's because it's like in the... Oh, it's in my history. Was it worth buying Cursor Pro?
I gotta ask, is it worth it buying Cursor Pro? I know it depends on my usage, but what do you think?
I like this voice, dude. That's what I think. Cursor Pro, yeah. It's one of the best tools out there for this. If you've used it and you like it, and the non-pro version isn't enough, get it, yeah. Personally, well, also like try the competition. You got Windsurf, you got Klein. Klein is great. I think Klein is better than Cursor in a lot of ways, but a lot of people prefer Cursor, and I can understand. You know what I mean? Godzilla says no.
No.
Alright, let's see how Exponent's doing. It did one thing. It was meant to be on auto run mode. That's a fail. Keep trying PyTest until we have 100% coverage. Don't get stuck in a test. You use it for the first time today. Okay, now give it time. You can use their free tier for so long. You also love Pair AI? Yeah, Pair AI is great. What are we doing? Trying to get test coverage. Trying to guide AIs to improve our test coverage. Let's see what Lazy says.
For you. All the tools are great and some are better in other areas. It's kind of fun figuring out what works best.
It doesn't sound loud enough. Is that with you guys as well? The TTS is like not as loud as Suno. Maybe Suno is too loud.
I think once you reach a certain level of complexity, AI coding alone is not enough.
That sounds good. NTSC, you're still here, my G, Adrian. Let's see how the tests are going. Why did this one?
Klein
TTS?
MCP is cooler and try all them V's code forks, all cost nothing.
Klein MCP, yes. That came out today. MM with the gift. Thank you. Does that go in my face on TikTok when you give me that one? I just realized I'm in the corner here, man. That's better. I don't wear a red sweater, but I be in and out the weather. Seems like there's some issues with the Python environment. Let's try a different approach with Simon says. Instead of PyTest timeout, we can use built-in PyTest timeouts. Man, I'm gonna time him out in the third. It doesn't do auto. What happened to Exponent? The auto mode just stopped. When does my trial end? Let's manage it. Let's manage it. It ends 21st of December. Okay, we got one more week. That's pretty good. Yeah, and this sucks. This is one of the reasons closed source things suck, because you can't just roll back to a different branch. I think they're trying to find a balance between like how many tries to give you. They kind of shot themselves in the foot because they only charge you per message, so they kind of lose money the more, you know, auto runs you can do. Hey, Nick Humphreys. Full
Python.
stack coding in the chat. Python. Yeah, I'm rhyming where it's at. JavaScript. Yeah, you see me in the back. C++. Nah, I'm never writing that. These days, all I do is prompt AI. Come on, man, let's have a try. You write this English sentence like continue. It's just one word, still I gon' continue. I was hoping, oh shit, is it still gonna drop? This song might drop. Can you add a message in the past and go from there? Yes? C++ line good? Yeah, give me some more words, Nick. Ooh, Hussein coming in with the comment.
Your comments about replit versus bolt versus v0?
Replit versus Bolt versus V0. Good question. So, I think Replit and Bolt are in their own tier because like they can execute. I'm not sure about Replit, but Bolt at least pitches itself as like something that can. Am I wrong about this? But like, it has like access to a terminal. I think they both do, Replit and Bolt, like a terminal thing, but V0 doesn't. And then to distinguish between Replit and Bolt, I think Bolt is open source, which actually puts Bolt in like its own thing above both V0 and Replit are closed source. You mean change messages in Exponent, Lazy? I think so. What's the... What are we doing? Oh, here, we're running the test here. I think it's going now. We got, how many did we get after that continue? Oh yeah, that's heaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Much better. JavaScript was. Lovable AI, yeah, that's another one, Hussein. Definitely try Lovable as well. They're good. Alright. Yeah, okay. Well, this is... It didn't get stuck, which is awesome. Whereas... Ader got stuck, I guess. Could have been like my... because I prompted it differently as well. Anyway, I really want to try Ader in a React loop. Ader in a React loop. Raw aid. This looked better when it was zoomed in or out. I don't know. It doesn't look as good anymore. But yeah, I mean, I looked at the code. It's like mostly in here. You see the prompts as well. That's nice of them. Put it prompts in their own file. There's like a research stage and a planning stage. And I guess that's the only two prompts they have here. But yeah, you can just pip install it, supposedly, because it's on the pip market. Is it? I don't know, we can try. Should we put it in a... We're gonna create a content environment. What version of Python does Ader need? I forgot. AI coder, yes. Hussein. Ali Ahmed, what's up? I'm trying this raw aid. React. Ader in a React loop. So an autonomous, more autonomous aider, potentially. About to find out with, we're gonna do it within this conda environment. And we're going to pip install it, supposedly. I have a doubt that that'll work, but we will see. Ra-aid, not re-aid. Okay, it exists. Basic usage, ra-aid-m, your task or query here. Research only mode with -- research. Oh, sweet. That's pretty cool. Cowboy mode, skip interactive approval for shell commands. Ooh, yeah, that's what we want. Cowboy mode. Yeah, dude. Cowboy mode, run test till it works. See how exponent goes before we try cowboy mode. So they did about 10 iterations. And PyTest work from in here, supposedly. Ended up failing the second task, but they wrote one whole task, added markers for timeouts, made a setup.py. Okay. But in the end, oh, they had one test pass. Session is ready. Okay. I'm just gonna stash this change from exponent. Orko asks, what's a link to AI Christensen aider in a React loop? AI Christensen aider in a React loop. It's this. Well, it's on my Discord as well. If you're on my Discord, it's in share links. But I'll leave this up here for a while. Can you read that? Maybe I'll get a drink and come back. Try something unique with multimodal live session. Yo, that Rahul, what's up? I couldn't get it. How do you get it? I guess I could do a. It'd be cool just to have it on. Like, what are the limits as well? Gemini live session, AI Studio. I couldn't I went on AI Studio, and I'm not sure. I put Flash in. Like, how do we... Oh, stream real time. All right, never mind. I found it. I found it. Also, what's this robot versus the question mark? What? What are you on about? Yo, Init Fun. What's up? We are... Well, I was about to run this aider in a React loop. We can actually run it on cowboy mode, which is supposedly dangerous. Use at your own risk, you know. I'm gonna leave it, and like by the time I go get a drink and come back, it could have just like leaked all my API keys, done all this crazy shit. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, you ready? Improve test cover. Wait, do I still have the exact same prompt I gave to exponent? Improve test coverage, blah, blah, blah. Cowboy dash mode. Cowboy mode unlocked. All right. Is that right? Cowboy mode. Okay, here we go. If it breaks my computer. Oh, there we go. It didn't even work. Exception calling invoke prompt. The value must be greater than or equal to 0. What is happening? It didn't even... Let's just copy this. Okay. Rat8 is not recognized as a commandlet. Didn't I just install this? Maybe... I could probably just clone it and run it like that. That's how I assumed I would have ran it, but then it's like, just pip install it. And I'm like, alright. But no. But no. Wait, this is, okay, aider. Pip install rat8, yeah. To modify pip. Wait, what? Okay. Maybe I should use pip x, actually. Missing packages? Oh, that wasn't the error I got. Skylar, thanks for the like. Gee. Where are the likes? Like, we used to have top likes. Oh, what happened to that shit? Oh. Is this legit? No, I haven't seen Nagu or Sam Q. Is there a Nagu or Sam Q? Can't be right. We'll refresh this shit. Check this out. Boom. Users and points. Goal overlays. I don't know. Sound alert. Is it Friday the 13th? It is. It is Friday the 13th. Drop a video for your export settings for TikTok.
You drop your video export settings for TikTok?
Just 1080p? 9:16? I don't know. I think
it is
changes.
Friday the 13th, the day a single multi-platform streamer activated Skynet.
Are you guys ready for Skynet cowboy mode? All right, let's just, I'm going to quit out of this if it starts working. Okay, we needed a Python. I kind of suspected it was a Python version thing. 3.10. I think that's okay. Okay. I'm gonna try installing this shit with pipx. So I don't think I have to uninstall it here, but we'll try it anyway. Okay. Will this work? Python PVM, what's that? Oh, yeah, okay, let's just, I was gonna share, I think I can start my virtual camera on OBS and select video source, camera, allow this time, allow, which camera is it gonna use?
Okay, you are asking about the cameras that will be used. Is there anything else you'd like to know about them?
Hey, Gemini. I'm just trying to set up my screen. Can you see my screen or is it just black for you?
I understand you're setting up and you're wondering if I can see your screen. Yes, I can see your screen.
What do you see on my screen?
I see a person speaking in the video. There is a white background behind them.
Who has been talking in the chat? Can you see the live chat?
You're asking about who has been talking in the chat and if I can see the live chat. I'm sorry, but I cannot see the live chat.
Okay, I don't think my My screen is actually sharing. There we go. Okay, there we go. You can see the screen now?
Sure, I can see the screen. I see a person with a beard who is looking to their right with a slight smile. There is a computer screen in the background with many open windows. On the right side of the computer screen is a chat with messages in it. There are various program windows, with a source selector on the left, a video and audio controls in the center, and other program options. There is also a live video at the top.
Wait, there should be a chat above the person's head. Can you read like what's been going on in the chat?
Sure. I see that the chat above the person's head has these messages. Lazy, so awesome. Lazy, Gemini out there killing it. And sound waves, WTF. There is also lazy, excellent, below those messages.
There's more. Read the new ones.
Okay, I see that the new messages in the chat are Rahul, 700. Lazy, Gemini, give my mom a shout out. And
Wow, dude,
Rahul.
this is so cool. It's like a co-host. Can you like switch accents and stuff or no?
Okay, I understand that you think it's cool that I can read the chat like a co-host, and you're asking if I can switch accents and stuff. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to switch accents.
That's okay. I need you to be like a co-host for this tech streaming channel. You like read out the chat and help me with, you know, stuff.
No problem. I can be your co-host for your tech streaming channel. I can read out the chat and help you with stuff.
Yeah, let's continue. So do you see this error on my screen?
Yes, I can see the error on your screen. It looks like a Python error related to *pydantic and *typing. Typedict.
Yeah, how do I fix this? How do I determine like what version of Python I should be on?
Okay, you are asking how to fix the error and what version of Python you should be on. The error message says, please use *typing.extensions.typedict instead of *typing.typedict on Python less than 3.12. This means that you are using a version of Python that is older than 3.12, and the code is using *typing.typedict which is not compatible with that version. You can either upgrade your Python to version 3.12 or later, or use *typing.extensions.typedict in your code instead.
Wow, thank you so much. So I'm going to use a Conda environment here. Can you read out the chat for me?
Sure. I see in the chat. NTSC_Adrian, dang lol. OMGIZ Godzilla. Is it me or does Gemini sound a bit GAI? Barco Vuror. What about sexual orientation? Can you switch sexual orientation, Gemini? Lazy. Very fucking cool man. And bind. Does it clarify things before answering quite often?
Is there more messages?
Yes, there are more messages. The new messages in the chat are lazy, very cool, the ultimate assistant, Barco Vuror, ASDF version manager to manage multiple Python versions, lazy, can it code for you, and Barco Vuror, Conda too heavy.
Wow, I see you can actually do function calling. Can you do web searching too?
I can do function calling, but I do not have access to the internet, so I cannot perform web searches.
Okay, but we could create a web searching function.
Okay, you are suggesting we could create a web searching function. I understand.
Can you read the chat again?
Sure, the current messages in the chat are OMGIZ Godzilla, LMAO, Carlos Raimundo, Gemini Drop Table, Rahul, at lazy it can done by modifying it, Barco Vurur,
This is actually crazy.
Ag, Rahul,
this
Google
is
have
free.
uploaded videos on it,
And ChatGPT is
Lazy
charging
Nice Reels.
$200 a month. Actually crazy. What are the limits of this streaming service? Like, how long can I use this for?
You're asking about the limits of the streaming service and how long you can use it for. I cannot see the specific limits of the streaming service that you are using. However, I can say that the length of your streaming is typically determined by the platform you are using. Is there anything else I can help you with?
It's all right. We're gonna search Perplexity. It does pretty good. It does pretty good web search.
You are saying... Okay, I see that you are saying it does a pretty good web search.
Okay, I've updated Python to 3.12, but we're still getting the same error.
Okay, I see that you've updated Python to 3.12, but are still getting the same error. Is there anything else you can tell me?
No, this is great.
Okay, I see. You think this is great.
Yeah, I do. I do. This is great. Well,
Okay,
I mean, the Python thing isn't great, but like the co-host with Gemini is so cool. Like, yeah. Oh, it'd just be so good to just talk to someone about the thing, and they also have knowledge of the whole internet and your screen. Like, it's just crazy.
You're right. The Python issue wasn't ideal, but you really like the co-host function. It's nice to talk with someone who has access to the entire internet and your screen.
What's Python PVM?
Okay, you are asking about Python PVM. Based on what I see in the chat, run python-pvm. See if you got any outdated packages is a command.
Do you know what it does?
I do. It looks like Python PVM is a package manager that you can use to manage Python packages. The chat also shows someone using the command pip install python pvm
I don't think
to
this
install
even has
it.
a requirements.txt. How do I do like a ls in Windows PowerShell, but like it only just gives me the file names in a list?
Okay, I see you are wondering how to get the equivalent of the ls command in Windows PowerShell. It seems that you tried using ls, but it only gave the file names and not the file details. The equivalent of ls in PowerShell is get child item . Using just get child item by itself should give you more details about the files in the directory, or you can specify.
No, I want less, dude. I just want the file name. Just give me the command. Don't say anything else. Stop yapping. Oh, I'm sorry. I offended it, dude. No. Damn. Hello?
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Hey there, how can I help you?
Just want you to tell me the command in PowerShell to list file names without any additional info. Like, don't talk too much. Damn, dude, as soon as I say don't talk, you just stop talking completely. Empathy, dude. Empathy's missing. Dear? I think it's all the same. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I don't even know how to run this thing, bro.
Okay, you are asking for the command in PowerShell to list file names without additional info, and you do not want me to talk too much, but you also don't know how to run the thing you're trying to do. The command is get child item, select object, expand property name, .
Alright, you win, dude. I think we quit it. That's funny. Use UV. Did you hear how sassy that was? It's like, okay, so you want to do this, and you don't even know how to do that, but you still want to know this? Well, fucking this. Bye. And then it just hangs up on me, bro. Savage.
We're asking for the command in PowerShell to list file names without additional info, and you do not want me to talk too much, but you
And you do not want me to talk too much.
also don't know how to run the thing you're trying to do. The command is
You also don't even know how to do the thing you're trying to do.
quote, get child item, select object, expand property name, back quote.
Oh man, that was pretty funny. But like, no, this is sick, and the fact that this is free is even more amazing. Didn't I think ChatGPT released like the exact same thing today? Is that right? I think so. That was like ChatGPT live stream today, some shit. I don't know. Pretty sure. Where's their video? I think someone posted it in Discord. Day 6.
Thanks, Kevin. This was fun. Let me know if there's...
ChatGPT, and you'll see the normal advanced voice mode button on the bottom right of the composer. I click it.
Screen share, that's the one.
And as it loads here, we'll give this one more try.
Yeah, exactly. This is $200 a month, and
All right.
Gemini's free right now.
So you can see as we go into
in AI Studio, developers only.
There's now a couple more buttons on the bottom left. In particular, there's this video button. And so here we.
Also, is this just on the phone? Where do they have screen share on the computer? Okay, they have screen share on the phone. Nothing on the computer was shown, dude. $200 a month. It doesn't even have all the features. Only phone. There you go. In AI Studio, developers get 10 requests per minute, 4 million tokens per minute, and 1,500 requests per day for free. Awesome. Joker, what's up? I think I'm gonna let Exponent continue to some lo-fi while we take an intermission. To look at cover song, make persona, get stems. This is sick. Dude, we could get the stems from a song and make our own song. I'm actually thinking about making some songs. You know what I mean? I think we could do it. Got a willow chip yet? No. How much do you reckon a willow chip is like worth? Like probably like $1 million at least. Alright, I'll be back. I'm back.
This is like the early days of Uber, when it cost less to take an Uber to work in downtown Chicago, than riding the LBC Uber trying to capture the market.
That's how it was. Like, we knew they were doing that. I mean, the taxis were pissed off, but as a consumer, we were loving it, having like to not put up with taxis anymore and get it cheaper. But how that turned around.
On 100x Engineer.
Two more for 420. Akpo, thank you. What's up? Hello.
Hello?
What are the prompts for this lo-fi?
What are some of the prompts you use for this lo-fi instrumentals on Suno?
It's literally just this chill, deep house music to code to. They all turn out to be lo-fi. I put the title as lo-fi. I wonder if I change the title to Deep House, will that change the song? I'm not sure if the title affects the actual song. Thank you, Apco, for following, if you did. I'm not sure why I don't get the messages. I wish I did. I think I might try to fix that on Botrix. 418. Okay, two more. Let's go. Wait, could we go like, thanks to Apco and your name here. Somalia, good eggs. Thanks for the likes. Wait, can we text this to chat?
Liked the live.
No, I can't. Is Gemini 2 free? Yeah, there's a limited amount. It's free. Not completely free. Damn, yeah, 5 Twitch now. Okay, let's try fix the follower alerts. I have to log in here. Alright, let's see if changing the title changes. This isn't lo-fi anymore now that I think about it.
Lol, if only we could our own codes.
I haven't logged in. Uh-oh. Maybe I logged in with Twitch.
Is it? I was able to get 1.5, but it wanted me to pay for 2.
Is that with the API? I'm talking about just AI Studio. I was doing a co-host with Gemini. I'm not sure what the limits are. I'm gonna keep going until it tells me I can't go anymore. Yo, Gemini, what's up? Oh, he's mad at me. It's okay, Gemini.
It sounds like you think someone is mad at you. Okay, is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I mean, we're doing a live stream. I need you to read the chat.
Okay, I can help you with that. I see the chat on the right side of the screen. What would you like me to do with the chat?
Just give me a summary of like what people have been saying.
Sure. In the chat, Kikudari mentions having something, Joker talks about a price, and GodXM asks if you have any interest in working on VST plugins. There was also a user named Dabarito who typed TRCHFRENNNN.
Nice, Dabarito. Can you give a shout out to Dabarito?
Sure thing. Shout out to Dabarito.
Would you ever have any interest in working on VSTs plugins?
VSTs for like music? I mean, I've never
yes,
really
the chat
been...
mentions VSTs in the context of music. Would you like me to elaborate on that comment or anything else about the chat?
I want you to give your opinion on building VSTs.
I don't have opinions, as I am an AI, but I can give you information on what VSTs are and how they are used. Would you like to know more about that?
That's okay. Has there been any new chat messages?
Yes. APK0007 said nice in the chat.
I'm trying to find where I can define like get messages when someone follows on Social Stream Ninja. Do you know about that?
Yes, I can see you are using Social Stream Ninja. Based on the settings you have open, it looks like you are trying to find the notification settings for when you get a follower. To get to those settings, you will first have to click Message in the menu on the left side of the screen. Then you will see the option for follows in the drop-down menu, and that's where you can configure follower notifications.
Okay, I think I have the message mechanics open. Is this the right one?
Yes, that's the right section. From there, you should be able to customize how you get notified when someone follows you.
I don't see it.
Okay, it seems you are currently in the Mechanics tab for messages. To find the follow notification settings, you need to be in the main message menu. There you will see follows in the dropdown, and that will lead you to the settings. You can access the message menu by clicking the word message at the top of the menu on the right of your screen.
There's a lot of different options here.
Yes, there are. You have the message drop-down menu open. If you go to the message tab above the mechanics tab you were just in, you will see follows, and that is where you will find those settings.
Can you read the chat?
Sure, in the chat, GuardXM says, "This is cool." Full Stack Coding asks, "How is it reading chat?" And Brendan Green says, "Just jumped on. What a voice is this?" Then Brendan Green also says, liked the...
This is Gemini. I'm streaming my screen and my voice to Gemini. It's like I'm on a call with Gemini. It's a new feature that was released today. You can try it out at aistudio.google.com.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. It sounds like a very interesting feature. Is there anything else I can help with?
It's like we're not getting, I've gone through everything here and I'm not sure where the follow alerts are.
Okay, it seems that you are currently in the message visibility settings. To find the follow settings, you need to go back to the main message menu. Click the word message at the top of the right side menu, and then you will see the option for follows.
Bro, there's no message.
Okay, I understand. It seems that the menu is collapsed. To expand the menu, you can click the word menu at the top of the right side of the screen, and then you'll see the option for message. After you select that, you will see the follows options.
There's some messages in the chat. Can you reply to them?
Okay, in the chat, there's a message from YG that says, Gemini bad, APK0007 said, "It looks very nice." And then Find on YT, and Barco Vurur said, "Oh, so it's getting your Twitch stream sent to it in full." And also said, "That makes sense." And finally, MMD says, "Gemini, please say I'm a simple." And you're also being asked by Full Stack Coding, how do you share your screen? How would you like me to respond to these?
Just like pick one and give an answer.
Okay, I'll answer Full Stack Coding's question. How do you share your screen? You can share your screen in a live stream using software like OBSS or Streamlabs. These applications allow you to select the window or screen you want to display and then broadcast that to your audience. Does that answer the question?
Yeah, that's great. So yeah, I'm using this is Google AI Studio. They just released Stream Real Time today, I think. And I was trying to get alerts working with Twitch. I used to have them, but I was using Botrix, but I can't log into Botrix now, so maybe that's just down. How does it say seal in French? It sounds like a trap. You've spammed it like 4 times. Do you reckon, like, Godzilla probably purposefully avoided that? Or did it already say? Did it read that one out? Can't remember. Let's see. How did we go with our test coverage? I think it's still bad. 2%. 2%. Not very good. We just keep continuing. Like, I just wish I could have this on loop. And that's what I was hoping the raw aid thing would do. But we couldn't get it running. Let me see what version of Python 8 or chat wants. I should be on the right one. It doesn't say here. Nikolai, hey, how are you? Have I tried Lovable? Yes. Lovable.dev is good. Damn it. I swear they said on their homepage. I assume that's not the issue. I don't know. Maybe we could make our own. I was thinking of making a PR into Aider of changing the loop thing from 3, like the hard limit, to like a command line variable. Yes, Barco, I knew it. Godzilla was trying to get it to say that word. What am I doing? I was trying to expand the test coverage of my project without me writing any code. And then also we were like doing a live stream thing with Gemini. How does it see your screen? You can just share your screen, share your video source, just like you would if it was a Google Meet, a Zoom call, etc. Vitali loves Lovable. Fegus Seppi, thanks for the like.
I love Lovable.
And yeah, we have a new voice, Brian, doing some TTS every now and then, you know. And yeah, what's the time? 7:40. I hope we can get to, 5-10% coverage. Like, what tests have we added here? But like, oh, I don't even think it ever got to a point where it could run the test. Now looking back on it, no test ran. Okay, 8%. There was a period we were at 8%. Orchestrator. Yeah, once it gets to something meaningful, it just poops its pants. I'm starting to have like thoughts about like whether this kind of unit testing is even worth it. And like with Klein, you can theoretically do the computer use testing type stuff. And that's more like of an end-to-end, which I think is more ideal. So yeah. Should I join your Discord? If you're into AI coding, I think that's the main topic of discussion. It's getting your video and audio stream all at once. Yes.
Thanks for sharing these gems. I'm a music guy, not a dev, and this is super helpful.
Oh, hell yeah, good. Good XM. Did you see like Suno can export stems now? Which is sick. Discord invite expired in my About tab on YouTube. Really? This one. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Hey, techfren. Techfren on Perplexity. Thanks to Lazy, I was the first. Yeah, it's in private beta. Oh, people been like complaining that they didn't get an invite for like 2 weeks on their Discord, but I think they finally got it. It was Jason. Shout out Jason. Vocalremover.org, yeah. You've had that for a couple years? Use vocal remover to like extract stems in general. I mean, or just voice. Oh no, yeah, nice bass drums. Sick. Is it good? Is this the best one? Alright, APK. You can join if you want, man. Yeah, I don't know. If that link doesn't work, the one on techfren.net should always work. It should never expire. It's just the Discord icon at techfren.net. That one should always work. This beat's pretty chill. Shit, Grizzly with a big message.
Would this work? Gemini, could you create a function in which you store for reference the most recent chat message that you read aloud as the co-host? Then every 30 seconds, check for new chat messages that you haven't read out yet, and read those and respond to any you are able to concisely and with humor if possible.
It can do the storing for the every 30 seconds check part. I'm not sure if it can have like cron jobs or timers like that. You might have to put that on a like separate server. And then how do you trigger the Gemini again? I'm not sure that those two parts, how they would work, but the other parts would work. Yeah, how we doing? We've gotten stuck. Let's move all the files. Okay. Yeah, this isn't very like transparent. Supposedly we had a 30-second timeout on this. That's cool though. I think this is definitely something to have with the orchestrator. We need some level of timeouts. So I'm gonna add that in the issues. Because that's like something I thought of today. It's like it's gonna happen. We need some way to... We need to set timeouts for certain tasks, like running a command. 36. Are you talking about music gear? Yeah. Alright, well, we'll try one thing. I think like we can kind of get something done with 100x engineer as well. 100x orchestrator rather. Let me stash these exponent changes again. Made a lot of changes this time. Okay, move the tests to inside here. Groove Diddy, what's up? Okay. This is my 100x orchestrator, which I can load itself into to work on itself. I'm gonna have the test command of PyTest, auto test, and you know what? We're actually gonna change the system prompt here. So we have all the prompts in prompt.js. This is the wrong project. Wait, can I control R here? Oh, sick. Oh no, my secret keys. Prompts. Here we go. You're an expert AI coding AI. Automating a CLI tool. Using a CLI tool named Editor. Goal is to do this. Don't write code, only give guidance. Do not ask Editor questions. I'm not sure if the test thing will be on. I think that's a flag, right? I need a break from this. There's like some flag for auto test. I think this is what I want, right? Automatic testing after changes. Yes, this is perfect. Oh, it's already on. Okay, sweet. Test command PyTest, auto test. Also, yes is on by default now. So we don't need that. We could keep this. All right, we're going to create a task, expand test coverage by 1%. All right, it should be pretty easy. Let me create an agent. It will clone this and try to do my task. Let's see how it goes. Then we'll have the real logs on the side here. Oh, this isn't even it. Ran it through here, supposedly. Okay. Let's see if this loops for a longer time than exponent. I cannot determine the testing framework. Oh. And then what is... We need the, actually need the agent response. Please provide the following. Yeah, see? It's asking questions. I'm using Gemini 1.5 Flash. Alright, let's delete this. We'll give it a better prompt. Because this is the prompt here is actually the first, like run PyTest, analyze the results, then change or create files to increase test coverage by 1%. All right, let's see. Specs. Yeah, that's actually a good question. I also want to stress test this 100x orchestrator to see like how many agents concurrently can we get. Let's see one thing here. Oh crap, look at all these folders I've created. All right. I'm gonna try create 10 agents and see what happens.
Thank you, my friend.
Yo, Curry Boy, thanks for the follow. You guys ready to see, can my computer handle 10 agents? Or should we go for 100x? Yo, low key, I want to go for 100x agents here. Why is this taking so long? Are you ready? Number of agents per task, 100. This is it. This might kill my computer. If it does, it's been a good stream. Thanks everyone for following. But this is the first person in history to be a 100x orchestrator. Is gonna be me. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, must be a value less than or equal to 10. I set a limit, supposedly. Okay. Alright. It's not gonna be me. That is too powerful. We haven't unlocked 100x yet. So we're gonna have to do 10. Apparently that's the limit. Alright, 10x. Let's see. Will my CPU go up? Will the disk... I'm assuming the disk is gonna go up. Because it has to clone 10 repositories. I don't know. I don't think it'll be too bad. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Less talking, more action. 0%. 0% disk, 1% disk. 1% disk, 2% disk. CPU 63%. It's doing it. It's cloning. 46. I think we can do 100x. Guys, it's definitely possible. 100x engineer. Alright. It's doing them one by one. So not in parallel. Whoa, what's up? Long time. Do it. Change the limit. Maybe hear this.
Change the limit. Go balls out. Dewo, eat a turd.
Eat a turd? Dewo, eat a turd.
Change the limit. Go balls out. Hey, Ben, a long time.
Oh, this is sick, and we can see the ones that are bad and end the state. Look, some of them you can't even get the output yet. We have the output for 2. It's possible that this... Okay, 3. Okay, it's slowly happening, guys. And my computer is not complaining at all. This barely uses any processing. This is pretty cool. But the... Like, yeah, obviously... It seems like only 3 of them have even started, let alone had progress. Like, yeah, this is like just one message, not even a very helpful one. We needed to run commands. I haven't told it the aider agent that it can run commands. It probably should know that. Okay, now all of them are at least running. So it's very slow, but potentially could go forever. Yeah, look, we're all running 10 agents now. All 10 agents. Okay, no. 9. 10. There we go. 10 agents. Woo! 10x. So you can see if I did manage to start 100, it would have been even slower. I think with this branch, it's like asynchronous or whatever. It's not in parallel. But we have you're wasted from the community who said that they're working on you know, they're going ham. They're working on WebSockets. And they posted a video, and they have an even cooler UI than me, man. Look at this. Orchestrator, and then there's like a manager type, you know. They have flags in progress, error complete. They're using. They have. Oh, actually, I can't play this music. Is that music? No, good. Yeah, their UI looks better than mine for sure. It's a bit like obviously not HD here, but you know, I hope we can merge. Like we're on completely different branches here. But you know, if he gets sockets working nicely, it could be worth looking at trying to merge. Okay, looks like we're not getting like a second message. Okay, here we go. A second message on that one. Nice. All right. So at least we can theoretically run 10 agents without any errors. Like, it's not productive at all, but it's possible. That's good. I didn't know that that was possible, but now we know. And then we can delete all these agents. Unfortunately, it doesn't delete the files, but I've told it to put it in temp files, and I'm assuming the operating system like clears out temp files at some interval. I'm not sure. By the way, do you game? Yes. I've been playing Apex, dude. Actually, I want to try to play it right now in like a smaller 1080p or something. You think UI doesn't matter sometimes? Yeah. Well, there's a degree. Obviously, functionality is more important than like pretty UI. But sometimes like the UI makes the experience so good. So yeah, it's a bit of a balance. Bastion and Max Aguilar. Thank you for the likes. All right. Computer might crash here. Oh, Gemini with Apex. Dude, that would definitely crash. I don't even think I can run Apex normally, man. We'll see what happens. My GPU, no likey, this one. See, look, 80% GPU. Haven't even started the game yet. Boom, started the game. See how we go. Otherwise, look, I got like $300 from selling CSGO skins. I don't know what to buy. I was playing nothing but Apex. Path of Exile. Supposedly good. Marvel Rivals. 2 more followers on Twitch. Come on. Yeah, we go. Shit, we got 5 viewers on Twitch. That's new. 1 more. No way. Someone followed? Man, I don't get the notification. Who was it? Sad today we don't have the note. Okay, I'm gonna turn down the settings here. We're gonna go 1080p. I think I can handle 1080p. We'll see. What LLM with Aider? We got well, it depends. On the 100x orchestrator, I'm running Flash 1.5. But normally I just run it on default with Claude Sonnet. Go in like a training range or something. Oh, bot royale. That works. Wait, does this add other people? I don't think so. Matchmaking. Maybe it does. No, starting server. Alright, this is now we're doing a test to see if I can stream Apex at 1080p. Alright. I'm probably gonna like wrap this stream up soon anyway, but yeah, let's just see. Can we run Apex? So far so good. Wonder what frame rate I'll get. Oh, this looks shit. Oh, 80 FPS. Oh, 120 FPS? That's not bad. This monitor can only go up to 100 hertz, I'm pretty sure. So 120 FPS, pretty good. Very playable. Oh, it looks like shit though. Oh, kinda. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. These bots just follow me? That's pretty cool. Damn, I'm getting the wall jumps and shit. Ever play Off the Grid? No. Oh, I did by Kanye West. We off the grid, grid, grid. This for my kid, kid, kid. You know that one? It's like the graphics get good and bad. It's interesting. It's like a buffer thing. But oh shit. It doesn't show full screen. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is weird. Apex, you'll love off the grid. Is that full screen for you guys, or is there like black around everything? What happens if I do this? This is pretty interesting. I could play this. This is playable. You know, this is actually playable. We could have like AI agents doing AI shit while I play Apex. Now, this is a smaller screen, but still playable. Do I like JavaScript? Yeah, JavaScript's my favorite. Is it yours? Volume's like pretty loud. Yeah. Well, maybe we'll be playing some more Apex on stream. Don't know how that'll do. I feel like it's not why people really follow, but look. I mean, shit, do we actually have 6 people on Twitch? That's actually abnormally high for Twitch. I only have like 3 max. Ooh, I hear fighting. Though the way I play Apex is like unlike anyone else normally. I play with yeah, should we get Gemini in? Alright, let's try. Let's try to get Gemini in. I'm not oh shit, it's not like this. I'm surprised there's like some big limits on this. Oh, we can share just Apex screen. Hell yeah. Gemini.
Okay, I see the Apex screen. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss about it?
Like, do you have some general tips? Can you coach me to play Apex?
Sure, I can offer some general tips for playing Apex Legends. One crucial aspect is team coordination, so communicate with your squad. Also, looting quickly and efficiently is... Okay, you said what? Then God. Do you have a question about the game?
Bots. Yeah, what's the biggest DPS weapon? What has the most like damage per second?
Figuring out the highest damage per second weapon in Apex Legends can be tricky, as it often depends on the... Okay, I see that you're experiencing lag. That can definitely be frustrating.
What's my FPS?
I see your current FPS is 49.
Really? That's terrible.
It looks
like jumping
you think
around.
49 F...
What numbers is it jumping around?
I see you are jumping.
No, not me, the FPS.
Yes, it appears you are jumping around. Okay, I see you are talking about your FPS. It is currently at 50.
What just happened?
It appears you became the new kill leader in the game.
Hell yeah. Is that good?
Becoming the kill leader is generally considered a good thing in the game.
Can you give me some words of encouragement?
Sure, keep up the good work, you're doing great.
More emphasis and enthusiasm, please.
Okay, I can do that. You've got this, keep pushing forward. You are making great progress.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
How many squads left?
There are 3 squads left.
Did you hear what Gibraltar just said?
No, I did not hear what Gibraltar just said.
What's that gold ray in front of me?
Okay, I see what you're referring to. It looks like a care package drop is incoming.
What's happening? Where am I getting shot from?
I see that you just got a kill. It appears you're being shot from the northeast, based on the visual indicators.
I'm gonna die here.
Okay, it seems like you're in a tough situation.
Yeah, what do you recommend?
It looks like your health is very low, so I would recommend using a syringe to heal yourself.
But I have most health and no badge.
Okay, I understand that you have full health but no shield.
Yeah, so now what?
Okay, now it appears that the ring is closing.
Oh, I'm down on ammo. What should I do?
Okay, since you're low on ammo, I would suggest trying to find some more, or using a different weapon if you have one.
Hey, what happened? It said something.
Congratulations, you won the game and are the champion.
Nice. Alright, that's a good note to leave it on, guys. Yeah, maybe we'll see more Apex. I don't know if Gemini was much help, to be honest. But yeah. Thanks for coming along for the stream. Hope you enjoyed it. I think the Gemini thing is sick, to be honest. I have to try the API as well, because I think not the Flash 2.0, but they released like an experimental 1206. Apparently that's like decent at coding, like better than all the other ones. Hey, I gonna want to turn soon, yeah. Cheers, Soundwaves. Thanks for all the comments. Lazy as well, everyone else. Carlo. Well, oh, sorry, I didn't see your message. That movie, Juan Phoenix. Haven't seen that one. But yeah, thanks everyone. Peace out.